Hello guys and welcome to today's video where I'm talking about GCSE exam advice for November 2020 exams. Right guys, this video was recorded on Sunday the 1st of November 2020. Right guys, in this video, okay, I'll be giving you some advice and tips about your exams this month, okay, and how to best prepare for your exams for AQA and Edexcel and any other exam boards and any other subjects that you might have other than maths. Okay, but I'll be focusing today on maths. Okay, if you find this useful, guys, please do subscribe to my channel, drop the video a like, and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos. Okay, in my other videos, I'm doing walkthroughs, so you might want to watch my other videos here as well as this year for my walkthroughs for GCSE Foundation and higher. Okay. Right guys, okay, so firstly, so these are the exam dates, okay, so paper 1, paper 2 and paper 3. So paper 1 is Tuesday the 3rd of November 2020, paper 2 is Thursday the 5th of November 2020, and paper 3 is Monday the 9th of November 2020. Okay, so I'll be here guys, yeah, throughout this week and next week and the week after, okay, for preparations for your exams, okay, and I'll try my best to support you guys any way I can. Okay, if you got any maths related questions or any issues, okay, then feel free to put a comment below and I'll be happy to cover a topic. Okay, I'll try to cover tree diagrams because I noticed that was a topic that I haven't actually covered before, and I think there was one other topic that I wanted to cover. I forgot what it was actually, but I was hoping to cover tree diagrams, and there was one other topic. I think it will probably come back to me now actually, yeah. But yeah, at the end, guys, yeah, I've put like a list of other channels here to check out as well as mine, in case I don't get a chance to cover the other topics. Okay, so yeah, click the link, guys, for AQA. AQA, I don't know the exact dates, but you should have been given them for your timetable. Okay, I'll try and actually fish them out actually, but I've been looking all day on AQA actually, and I actually couldn't find the actual dates. But use the link, guys, and it will try and help you to find the dates for your exams. Okay, so my last point there. So you should have received the exam timetable when you registered. Yeah, I think it was back on the 4th of September. Yeah, I believe it was. Right, guys. Okay, advice for your exam actually. So this is like the night before and on the day. So make sure that you got all your correct mathematical equipment. Okay, so you got your pen, pencil, ruler, protractor, compass, and calculator for paper 2 and paper 3. Make sure you got your pencil sharpened. Okay, bring a sharpener and a rubber as well, guys. Okay, that is my advice there. Okay, make sure to arrive 45 minutes before, okay, or earlier, okay, so you got time to sort out things on the day of the exams, okay, so you're not rushing at the last minute. Okay, don't revise that before, guys, okay, or don't stay up either late. Okay, so my advice here actually, I've been a bit, I think, lenient here, but I would say anytime after 8 p.m. is going to be an issue. So anytime after 9, actually, shut your books after 9 and don't do anything after 9 o'clock here the night before your exam or the night of your exam. Okay, so nothing after 10 p.m. Okay, make sure to get a decent night's sleep, guys. Okay, make sure, because sleep is important for how you perform in exams. Okay, make sure to have some breakfast on the day. Okay, I've put some examples here, like fruit and porridge and other things. Okay, drink plenty of water. Okay, have a water bottle for your exam, guys, because that's very important to keep hydrated. Okay, and these are little advices. Okay, for like on the day or the day before. Okay, so make sure that you listen. And take these points on board, okay, for your exams, guys. Okay, I know I'm sounding a bit like a broken record here, but it's just for your guys' advice, guys, okay, so you don't miss anything important. And if I have missed anything important, then put it in the comment section. But yeah, but they're the key ones, okay, for your exams, guys. Yeah, I would say you're gonna watch the video on Sunday, okay, which is today. So I will try and do a couple of exam papers, yeah, obviously, yeah, for that. Okay, if there are any specific questions or topics, then please put it in the comment section. I'll be happy to do it, video on that. Okay, so I'll do a video on tree diagrams, and I'll try and go through my older videos, okay, and I'll try and link any important previous videos, but feel free to check out my previous topics in the older section. So back in February, March, April this year, and May, there was a lot of topics that I covered, yeah, for GCSE maths, and also a bit of A-level maths, yeah, for anyone studying A-level as well, particularly in May. There was a lot of videos, so yeah, I believe I've covered, yeah, as many topics as possible. I think there's construction that I haven't covered, which is quite difficult to actually cover, but I will cover construction, yeah, at some point down the line, actually, but I'm definitely going to cover tree diagrams, and there was one other topic, yeah, other than construction and loci that I wanted to cover, that was quite important. But well, yeah, I'll try and remember it for the next video. Yeah, but make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out on important videos, guys. Okay, so that's my advice there. Okay, next one, and I'll put here, yeah, guys, yeah, good luck and best of luck. So all the best for your exams, guys. Any questions, then drop me an email. My email's there. Okay, stay safe, and I hope it goes well, guys. Okay, so all the best, and check out these other YouTube channels. The GCSE Maths Tutor, Corbin Maths, TR Maths has one for GCSE Foundation Maths, Maths Genie, and Maths Made Easy, and there's loads more out there, but they were the main ones that I came across that will be useful. Corbin Maths particularly will be very useful, and also the GCSE Maths Tutor as well. Also check out PRIMROSE, KITTEN, and TAYYUB MAJEED, as well, actually, because they have TAYYUB MAJEED has written exam solutions, so that might be easier, but so does the GCSE Maths Tutor, so there's loads out there, okay. So I'm saying that because I might not have time to cover all the papers before the exams that you sit. So I'm gonna try and put out as many exam papers and walkthrough solutions as I can for foundation higher. Yeah, from today as well. So there'll be other videos coming today and tomorrow. Okay, so there'll be three videos hopefully coming on the 2nd of November, and then 4 videos coming on the 4th of November, actually, yeah, and then I'll try and put out as many videos as possible, yeah, in that time. But keep an eye out on my channel on the 2nd of November, particularly. Okay. And then lastly, guys, I've put on a checkout on maths, yeah, for prediction papers, okay, on YouTube, okay. So this guy makes prediction papers. Uh, just a quick note on that, yeah. So prediction does not mean that it will definitely appear. Prediction is what we guess will be on the exams. Obviously, this person's has, I think, a pretty good history and record of prediction papers, but don't rely on it, because a lot of people in his in the comment section, I've been responding to other people's comments in his channel saying don't rely on just on that, because that is quite an important point. Do other questions, do other papers as well, okay. And then I've put on there, yeah, guys, yeah, if you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notification so you don't miss out on future videos. And the last point here, guys, is on the exam day, yeah, focus on the questions that you can do, okay? Don't worry about the ones that you can't do. Focus on the ones that you can do first, okay, for all 3 papers. Do them all first, okay? And don't worry, yeah, about questions, that you're not sure about, yeah, if it's a high mark question. But the next part I move on to is attempt all questions. So try all questions, guys, and give all the questions a go, okay, just so you're happy, yeah. And always show your full workings, because I was stressing that in every single one of my videos recently. Make sure to always show your full workings, because examiners will give you more marks, okay. If you've got like a 4 or 5 mark question, then you can still get 3 or 4 marks out of the 4 or 5 mark questions by showing full workings. Whereas if you just put in the answer on a 4, 5, or 6 mark question, then they might give you no marks. So just bear that in mind, guys. Yeah, and also it goes for GCSE science as well, actually. So science, particularly in physics and chemistry, yeah, for the calculation questions, always show full workings. Yeah, if it's like a maths question, yeah, on a science paper as well, always show full workings. Okay. And then lastly, guys, I've said all you can do is just try your best, guys. Okay, so on the day, just try your best, give it your all, and that's it, guys. Okay, so just try your best, yeah, and then whatever's out of your hands, yeah, and out of your control, then obviously yeah, try not to worry actually. And I know that's just quite hard to say, because it's very hard, like, yeah, because obviously exams are quite stressful, like, yeah, environments. But just do your best, guys, and then just try your hardest, okay? So guys, yeah, I hope you found this useful. Yeah, please do subscribe actually if you found this useful, and drop the video a like, and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on more videos, particularly tomorrow and Tuesday's videos, and also Wednesday and Thursday. But I'm gonna try and put out as many exam walkthrough questions as well. Okay, so check out those, yeah, videos. Make sure to watch them in full as well, guys, and check out the other YouTubers that I mentioned. And there's one last YouTuber called Simon Deacon that is doing walkthrough as well, for AQA at the minute. Yeah, so I thought I'd mention that. So it's Simon Deacon, SIMONDEACON. Okay, right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Good luck.